Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alvisha Putri Firdaus, with ID number is 17. I'm from Economic Education 2020 International class. Today we are going to discuss about theory of international trade, pre-classic mercantilism. According to Adolf, international trade is an activity of exchanging or buying and selling between countries as an effort to get benefits or profits. So, the brief definition of international trade is a buying and selling activity that involves two or more countries collaborating with an agreement that has been mutually agreed upon and occurs due to the production of goods in very large quantities. In this pre-classical theory of mercantilism, it is assumed that a country will be rich and strong when export are greater than import. The larger net export, the more a lot of precious metal owned for a brooch. And at that time, precious metal were used as a means of payment or money, so that a country with a lot of precious metal would become a rich, prosperous, and strong country. Okay, next, mercantilism pursues the following trade policies. The first, encourage export as much as possible, except for precious metals. The second, strictly prohibit or restrict import except precious metals. Okay, next we are going to discuss about critique of the pre-classical theory of mercantilism. The first, criticism by David Hume. David Hume argues the country will be strong and prosperous if export are greater than import, so that they have more precious metals. Number 2, precious metal is used as means of payment or money, so that if there is a lot of precious metal, the amount of money in circulation will increase. Number 3, if the money supply increases while production remains constant, it will cause inflation. Number 4, if exports are smaller than imports and precious metal falls, the country will be poor. Okay, next, criticism by Adam Smith. The first, the measure of a country's prosperity is not determined by the number of precious metal it has. Number 2, the prosperity of a country is determined by the size of its GDP and the contribution of foreign trades to the formation of the country's GDP. Number 3, to increase GDP and foreign trades, the government must reduce interference or free trade. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and see you again.